How are we all doing today? Okay. So in this live broadcast, we are going to discuss about, as you can see the title, I said, laugh with me, Biafrans. Sometimes when people think they know everything and they end up disgracing themselves, the only option that we have is to laugh. Especially when they want to insult you or want to look down on you, and they keep on exposing themselves, proving that they don't know what they want, proving you right. I hope I'm sure you understand what I'm saying, but just give me time because I have some voice notes that I'm going to play here in this live broadcast that some of you may have seen it, some have not. So I would like you to listen to this. Very, very important that you do so. Just
okay.
Just hold on.
Okay. Ilozikwu n'ọgbakọ ndị ala na ndị isi dị mma. Anyway, ndị be anyị dị ka ndị ụka na ndị ọgọ mmụọ. Ndị be anyị dị ka ndị ụka na ndị ọgọ mmụọ otu omume ha dị. Na-agwụrụ na ndị a bụ criminals bechara ọjị ntacha. Ndị a bụ ndị ori. Kedu nke nọ na Malaysia pepe na-ere kaikai. Gwụrụ na ndị a bụ ndị ara. Ndị a bụcha ndị ara criminals. Cause in case na afia investor nọkwa Malaysia na-etuso ọnụ na-apụtara ọkụkọ mkpụrụ akwụ. So ọnụ ka ọ na-etu na ọ na-agba private jet na ọ na-agba electric car. Yiri na mbụcha ọjọbọ a na-asị n'ụlọ asị nwanne onye ọbụla soro na-elu ofe egwu na Simon Ekpa onye ndị mma ijide. In fact, ịnọdụ na Nigeria ị ga-ama na Nigeria tiri eti ọdịrichi na Nigeria pụọ ịma na Nigeria tiri eti ma ndị agha na-amalụ omenala na-ekele m na ha bụ ndị omenala na ha bụ ndị ọgọ mmụọ ofu mkpụrụ ihe ha mmadụ ndị mbụ rubbish people, rubbish entities ọha bụ ihe na-eso n'elu ofe egwu na Simon Ekpa akwa anya gbagwogo gị ịnọzikwa n'ọgbakọ ndị isi dị mma na ndị ara that cattle nọ Malaysia unu na-akpọ pepe. Very rubbish set of people. Ịnọzikwu n'ọgbakọ ndị ara na ndị isi dị mma ebe unu nọ na-ekpọrọ iwu unu na-agwụrụ na ndị abụcha ọtọ nọ na ndị abịara ọjị ntacha na Simon Ekpa bịara ọjị ntacha na elu ofe egwu ha bịara ọjị ntacha Devil maghị di ya ha ọrụ eji emotion unu na-egwu egwu ndị ara n'elu oke Simon Ekpa agụrụ na agụ na Finland bụ ihe na-eyuzu brain onye dịka gụnwa ọkịta ka ịmatazi ihe after many years ndị ara ndafe m aka ka ọ dị.
Okay. This guy is a supporter of DOS. He's one of the DOS supporter. He loves DOS so much. And the voice note that you just heard now is what he made. This is not old voice note. Forget about that. He's mentioning Nelly Ofebu, all this and that. They always want to go back to their vomit. Always mentioning something that is irrelevant. What they are trying to do is to see how they can, change your mentality, make you to believe that what PM is doing or what Biafrans believe on is just wrong. They want their own to excel. They want to have they want you to believe on what they believe. But the problem is that whenever you see them talking about Simon Ekpa this, Simon Ekpa that, Nelly Ofebu, according to this guy, Nelly Ofebu this, Nelly Ofebu that, they have one thing in common. That is to make you believe that DOS is the only way to go. All right. Now, ask yourself, why is it that they are always angry and very, very insulting when they want to talk about people that don't believe the same thing they believe? Like, you know that you love DOS and the activities, you know that you don't like PM. Then another person that like PM or like what PM is doing, you want to you channel your anger and hatred on that person. We must not believe on one thing. We must not be, in one camp. We have one thing that we claim that we want, which is Biafra. Now, if you have a way of getting that Biafra, good and fine, go with that. But insulting people, calling people names, they are this, they are that, only you have brain, right? Only you have know it all. That is wrong, man. That is wrong. And you cannot make people to see, Simon Ekpa to be a bad person. You will try, but you still fail. Why? Because what PM is doing is what some of us want. Do you understand it? You may not like it. I cannot come out here and say that if you don't support PM, if you don't like him because I like him, that you're a bad person. Why sometimes I call their names and I call them out is because it's not because they don't like PM, okay? But because you are doing propaganda, you are lying to people. You want to deceive people to believe on what you believe by lying. Not that you hate PM. Many people here hate me. So many people that watch don't like me. Some people think that I'm insulting them or I am insulting their loved ones. Do you understand what I'm saying? But I don't have hate on you. Even though I said that what you are saying and what you are doing is not good, that is not hate. It become hate if I say, okay, they must cut off your neck. You know what I mean? If I start preaching violence, which I don't preach any violence, I don't support any violence of any shape, any kind, whatsoever. I don't support it. What I am actually against is people preaching hatred, people preaching violence. But every now and then, when you read a post or comment from these people, you can sense hate. You look like Hollywood actor. You can sense hate. You can sense doubt. You can sense fear from what they are saying. Why is it so? Because you have ulterior motive. And sometimes when people want to lie, they pretend that they are trying to they want to give you what you want. That we are together, we must work together, we are this, we are that, and all that. But by so doing, they are digging, grave against other people without them knowing. Sometimes they know, but because of what they want to achieve, they cannot, distance themselves from that.
Good morning. Madam National Electoral. This experiment. Yeah, it's very clear. Yeah, they go very clear. Not showing man. Yeah, they go clear. Oyono kuba makana these people mana Israel. They have international war. World war. This man.
One thing I noticed is that this guy that you are listening to his voice now sounds like somebody from Ebonyi State. And the intonation simply shows he's from Ebonyi State. That's my own understanding. I'm not saying that I know him. I don't know him. Now, somebody that you don't know what you are saying and you want people to listen to you, and at the same time you want to convince people. And if that person, if people said no, I need more clarification to even believe what I'm saying, the person, they will start insulting you, calling you names. From what he's saying here now, he said that PM is that is not very clear. That Israel is a war going on between Israel and Iran at the moment is the international world war. That kind of grammar is somehow, but I don't want to dwell on that. What I'm trying to tell you is that he from the start, when he start talking, you will agree with me that he don't have the knowledge of what he want to say. And to prove to you, listen, pay attention very clear, so that very, very well, so that you understand.
Usually this man, and I don't have the name attached. The name attached IPO na this thing. The name attached. Because those people like love from Biafra, can't to Biafra. Nda hate Israel. Nda hate Israel. Can you good opportunity? Nda support Biafra. Can you good opportunity? Hate Biafra because now there is now IPO na support Israel in the 15,000 soldiers. Those people who be very, very angry. I have an answer. How come these people? So only after him, now here give our Nigerian government gave money. All those people, Nigerian go on there and use this man. They make sure here and only after him this time, when you have to see, when you have to see my here. Can't destroy IPO, but I can't chuko kike. I can't against Biafra IPO. But this thing is very, very clear to those people who feel now this man gave with Biafra. The agents.
Now let me stop it here. I will still play it again, but I want to say something. You can see here that he said that what PM want to achieve is to make sure that people that love IPOB, that love Biafrans and hate Israel, to turn around and begin to hate Biafra because Biafra is now saying that they love Israel. Now, when do you think that this preach of hating Israel started from? Some people have made comment that some of them have converted to Islam. Some people don't believe it. But when you listen to some of them, people from that camp, you begin to believe that. How can you say that people that hate Israel will now turn around to begin to hate you because you are throwing support, on Israel? There's no a time that Simon Ekpa PM said that he's going to send military to Israel to fight Iran. No, he did not say that. Now, he also made a comment here. He said that PM is presenting using the name of IPOB to, make that, give the hand, supporting hand to Israel. Now, let me read the post that started all this from PM. He said, Biafran government, ready to, what I think that this is ready to help Israel with the ground forces if need be up to 15,000 well-trained Biafran Liberation Army. Listen very carefully. The Biafran government will also offer maximum protection to Israel in Nigeria within 4 hours of notice. Do you understand it? BMO, I see you, my dear. Thank you so much. Good afternoon from here, son. The sabos are now crying. Useless people everywhere. Okechukwu Frank said, good afternoon to you, my brother, and long life for you and your family. God, thank you so much. May God bless you for good work. Amen. And you too. God will bless all of us. That is okay. OC said, good morning, my special brother. Always happy to be on a platform of truth. Thank you so much because by the truth you shall know them. God bless you. God bless you. So if you read the post of PM, because they fail to understand the content of that post, but they are in a haste to dish out attack. Some of them have screenshot, even the one from Instablog. They cross it with a kind of bad. They're sharing it and posting it. Sometimes, for you, before you start doing something, you have what you want to gain from it, right? I believe all of us do. Like, you want to embark on a business, on a journey, you have target. You have something that you want to achieve from that, isn't it? Now, what is it that they want to achieve by this kind of cheap, senseless attack? Like, are they doing it to convert people to them, or are they doing it to? I don't know. What is their gain? I don't want somebody from their camp to let us know without this insult. You are this, you are that, because nobody have time to insult you. We only analyze what you said and where you are coming from. That's all. I did not say that people should buy you or attack you. No, 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 no. I don't preach violence. I want you people to explain to us what you people actually gaining from attacking this cheap blackmail. Saying some, what we all have brain. No matter how you want to cook it, there's some lies when you say that, people can say okay, they'll believe you. But in a short while, or as time goes on, the truth of that lie will surface. Then probably you must have achieved what you wanted to achieve before the lie comes up, before the truth comes up. But in this case, we already have the answer, and you are out shamelessly. You are out shamelessly telling the lies and want people to believe it. When people question you to convince them more, you start insulting that person. Now let me tell you, the post that PM made, he did not say IPOB is sending 15,000 soldiers. Even if he said that, that's no problem. It's a welcome development. But for clarity, he did not even use the word. Since this guy is not happy because he mentioned IPOB, he did not say IPOB. He said Biafran government. Biafran government is ready to help Israel with ground forces, if need be, up to 15,000 well-trained Biafran liberation troops. The Biafran government will also offer maximum protection to Israel in Nigeria, not in Gaza, not in Iran. And maybe the English is the problem. Maybe I believe with this little explanation, some of you that will come across this video will understand that PM did not make that post to do propaganda. It's not a propaganda. I think he have gone that he have gone that he have gone beyond that level to stoop too low to make cheap propaganda. Why I believe that what he said he's capable of, the Biafran government is capable of that, is because number of Nigerians that have waged at battle with them all this while is enough. Before now, okay, half of the soldiers that engaging them in Imo State would is in fact, if you divide them into three, one, if you divide the number of soldiers that have gone there, I'm not saying people buy or they say that they buy or anything. No, I'm not talking about people that. I'm talking about troops that have been in them, that have gone for that mission in Imo State alone. If you divide them into three, divide the total number of them into three, one of them, that's one quarter, is just like number of the troops that always scared IPOB all over Igbo land. So because before now only 10 soldiers is enough to send everybody back home. But now with their equipment, their catapult, their all this and that, do you know what it means to be using armor tank to engage people? Do you know what it means? You think it's just you can use that where there's a riot or something like that? No. But until this day, they couldn't finish them off. And there's a post that PM made today. He said that, mind you, I'm just explaining it to you. So I may not quote it exactly the way he put it, but is a short post that he made. He said that Biafran did not lose war by barrel of catapult and gravel. They lost the war, or they submit, because of Nigerians have tried for 3 good years, and they couldn't stop Biafran in 1967. And they decided to find another means of engagement, which is blockade. which they used hunger to stop the war. With the help of, do you know, with the help of international community, Britain and all of them, their hands were there. So it's not as if, because some of you that always look down on people, I'm not saying that war should break out in Nigeria. No, I don't pray for that. What I'm praying for is freedom. So whatever that will bring freedom, that's what I support. So some of you don't understand what it means to defend yourself, to stand on the truth, to even challenge such monster. You may not understand it. Maybe you have not. If you have been ever tortured by Nigerian army once, those of you that have been in that kind of environment, you understand what I'm saying. If you have ever been tortured by a Nigerian army, eh, you will know what it means to face them one on one. So I don't want to go further about this explanation, so that I will not say what I'm not supposed to say here.
IPOB government.
Diana is here. Diana said, well done, Kai report. Thanks for your good job. What do you expect from the people that only speak English without knowing the real meaning of it? Useless set of people that have nothing to offer. Exactly. They just read. PM did not even include your so-called cherishable name that you want to. You don't want to. I remember when Koiki made a post that he Oduduwa Nation and PM were kind of in a solid alliance before the kidnap of before the arrest or kidnap of Sunday Igboho then in Benin Republic. Before then, there was a meeting they had together, and some of the well-respected people from Oduduwa people. What do they do? Oh, don't. If you are doing it with a Kuruma, don't mention any number. They cannot name. After Koiki made just a short video and sent them warning, all of them kept quiet. Because if you want to stop a dog, a bargain dog, a dog that's always bad, you use something to, you have to use your hand to stop it. If Koiki were to panic, okay, why are you people saying this now? Their force would have, explode. But once Koiki challenged them with the same measure, all of them kept mute.
And then make it very clear against Biafra and marginal US IPOB worldwide. I can fight it. I clear ya go. And most very I know that thing again. Finally, is a massive radical. I can fight. This thing that I'm not going tomorrow. I can go here. This thing is very clear. But it's very, very clear. Thank God, we must move forward. We must move forward, able to able. And no sleeping until Biafra is restored. And then the Kano, I get this good here, Mama Sriha, I will mind. But this experiment can stop the neighbor, can stop the neighbor. This experiment is name this thing. Can you imagine me attach IPOB? I am somebody who pray at you. After the whole Nigeria terrorists no one. IPOB. Now they are the best freedom fighter everyone. They make coma. They will problem. Why? This thing may not it's confusion. You when they even in Israel now. Can they in the aso? Can they against us? Not world powers, other country. If you go here, don't
This guy don't even know that there is no official country in alliance with US. No, he don't even. And what this is the kind of people that they will tell him, okay, Chuku. If your name is Chuku, I'm sorry, I'm just using Chuku as an example. I don't know his name. If they say okay, Chuku, Just go there and now, just say Ekperima is trying to give IPOB problem. That Ekperima is using a name of IPOB to do his political program. That Ekperima say he did not even care on his own to read the post of PM. Yet he's outside trying to make a comment. PM did not tell you that he's a. What he's saying now, he thinks that the DOS have alliance with any country in the whole. There's no country you are in alliance with. Mention one. Mention one country that is well known that IPOB, not IPOB. I'm talking about DOS. Okay, one country that DOS is in an alliance with them, and most of those countries that this guy is claiming that they're in alliance with them actually in alliance with Israel more than what you can imagine. Is it US? Is it Germany? Is it Finland? Is it UK? All of them are not. They are not out to criticize Israel. The people that criticize Israel are just few political, stooge like Femi Fanekayode. These are people that maybe you read the post, you think that, oh wow, now they're in alliance. Everybody have right to be in alliance with anybody, but in the case of Israel and Iran or Palestine, in this case, we don't even, like me, I cannot come out and tell you that I know the history of Israel and Palestine. I can't use that. I can't come here and tell you that because I don't. There's a lot of stories, a lot of issues that you don't know which is who. But a friend of an enemy to my enemy is my friend. You understand? If you know what I mean. Enemy to my enemy. If I am not in good time with Mr. A, and Mr. B is not in good time with Mr. A, of course, Mr. B will become my friend because he's the enemy to my enemy. He said that he's making sense, that you should let us use common sense on all those things. If you are to apply that reasoning now, you find out that you that started this comment is actually disgracing yourself. Because what you are trying to tell people is that PM is getting problem between Biafrans and people that wanted to give you independence. Then if they ask you who is the country that they really want to give you the independence, you will not even mention one country. What country are you talking about? Without you doing the necessary thing that you're supposed to do, there's no freedom for you. And those things that you have to do for you to have your freedom is actually what PM is doing, but because of your own low mind and your reasoning has been blocked, you can't identify that. For your information, Biafrans don't even hate Nigerians. Okay? What Biafrans don't like is Nigeria. Nigeria as an entity, Nigeria as a system, not people that make up the country. Some of you don't even know the difference between being a Nigerian and a Nigerian. You are a Nigerian in Nigeria because you find yourself in that system. So the system is what people are questioning, not you. For some of you that come from the north, when Biafran is being mentioned, you start panicking, you start shivering, you start looking for where your dagger is so that you can use it to chase them away. Because you fail to understand what Biafrans actually want. Not your head, not your life, no. But your own freedom and my own freedom. Because the system that we find ourselves in is not workable. I don't know how to explain this for people to understand it. People who are supposed to know better should know that whatever that's going on between Biafrans and Nigeria is because of the system. That is how it is.
Maazị, na ihe Simon Ekpa na-eme. Simon Ekpa bụ ndị na-eji osisi. Ndị na-eji osisi. Only say na ndị be anyị dị iberibe. Ndị be anyị ada ama ngwụrọ n'ụgbọ. Ihe a na-akụ ndị be anyị bụ mind game. Simon Ekpa bụ ndị na-eji osisi. ọtakia ka ha na-akụ akụnyere ya akụnye n'ebe ndị be anyị nọ. Ndị iberibe nwere oke ite mentality, ndị na-ada ama ngwụrọ n'ụgbọ a na-efoli ya. Ihe ọ bịara bụ ọjị ntacha ejigo ndị be anyị rụọ ọdụ ọrụ. Ndị be anyị eji rụọ ọdụ ọrụ akụpụgo Rebel Charles na-eli ofe egbu ha akụpụgo. Simon Ekpa na-emezi ihe agwara ya. Ihe a bụ mind game. Ihe fọrọ na-eji eme na Twitter. Ihe mbụcha ogugo. Ihe a bụ toro nchi. Ama na ọ pụtara ọkụkọ mkpọrọ akwụ, mana ọ mind game asị kụba ka ọ na-akụ. So that ka a na-enwe hatred ebe ndị be anyị nọ mọọ. Udo dịrị gị maka nghọta na ọtụtụ okwu ọjọọ n'ụka mgbede. Nwanne m, ndị abịara ọjị ntacha mana aka isi ha ga-eba ha n'ọnụ. Aka isi ha ga-aba ha n'ọnụ. Aka isi ha ga-aba ha n'ọnụ. Udo dị.
Okay, you can see this guy, when you listen to his voice, it is very clear that he must have taken, you know what I mean? He must have taken something, you know, if you know, you know. The slangs he's using, trying to even use proverb, turning it upside down. And these people, but who knows on anybody who was not meaning that people that you are trying to even insult, they are actually people that Igbo people were talking. Now you don't, because you don't know one Golo means someone that is crippled. When the person see that, you know, when the person is sitting down on a boat, for example, if you don't, that person is sitting down in a boat, you will not know if that person is a crippled or not. Even in a bus, the person we see is sitting down and the bus is moving. So how will you know that person is crippled? Is until when the person, you know, stand up to walk, then only you know that he or she is crippled. But this one is saying, oh, meaning that they are actually sensible people. You don't know one Igbo people use that as a proverb, meaning that you don't know what you don't know until you come closer to know the person. Somebody that is crippled, when the person sit down, how will you know that the person is crippled? You can only know when the person attempt to walk or to stand up. That's the only way you can know. So you are telling people that that means you are lying. And you even lying, you are lying even onto using your own proverb to even lie. Telling people that your ancestors that made up that proverb, they are stupid, that you are the wisest. And the way you talk is even very, very funny, because it simply means that you don't have anything to offer. Because people that are fighting for freedom, talking like Motopak, you can't even comport yourself to talk. You can't even, say, you can't even identify what you know and what you don't know. These people are very, very funny. But let's there's another voice note I will still play them. Gaddafi voice note is here. This voice note, people send it to me because I provide my number. People are sending me information, so I'm using that to do the program. Sorry about that.
Ọ na ndị be anyị dị ka ndị ụka na ndị ọgọ mmụọ etinyere agha ụlọ ha na-egbu onwe ha, na-akọta onwe ha, na-enyegbu onwe ha n'isi na aja. Ha achọghị ma ihe egwu na-akụ, a na-apịa ha takia front and back. Ha fọ na-eri nri be anyị, a na-enye anya ka gasị na.
Wow, I'm so happy we have one of the DOS member here. Your name is, yeah, this is your fake name. You can't even use your Igbo name or Biafran name. No pillow. No more pillow. Momo. You said Simon Ekpa is not even looking for Biafra. Talk of getting it. What of 150 days? Remember, he said that you are an idiot to think of that. So why is he still ranting? Now, I hope you are still watching. Let's start from what you just said. Okay, I love it when I have people that want to make sense. PM Sam, whenever you're talking about that, he's not looking for Biafra. Let's talk about you that looks for Biafra. Okay, Mazin Amonokana aside, you have looked for Biafra for how many years? And what is your template of getting Biafra? By creating, I'm not talking about because the reason why people have not come after you people is because of Mazin Amonokana. Let me tell you, minus Mazin Amonokana, people would have give you people your history since 2012 as IPOB registered organization. Master Megano met good. He want to get Biafra. He have the plan, but all you people do is to frustrate it. He created family meeting for him to have, for Biafra to have, their wings spread across the globe, making sure that whoever that want to register will register, and the information will be penetrating from house to house. Having close meeting where you can table your issue by creating coordinators and house and the European rep, African rep, and all that. Chain of command, which you people are now using to do cabal. But the reason why he made that chain of command is because not to command people to do what you want, but chain of command, chain of information, like passing channel of information. That's a better word. Channel of information, not chain of command that you will see today. It's not about commanding. It's chain of information that this person must be answerable to this. Answerable in the sense of that I have to pass this information to you, and you are the one to announce it. That is respecting, rank, and showing how to train people to know how to practice government. But you people turn it as if it is a school court, gangster that commando have talk. That this nickname that they give out there. That this one have told, go and do this guy. That's what people see it. And not only that you people started it, you started doing paddy. Okay, this is my partner. I have to welcome you. Imagine the Kenga. He will commit to offense that others commit and what they start that person. They will now lift the Kenga to highest office from committing sin or offense that others have committed and they sanction that those people. That's what the Nigerian government do. That's what the Nigerian government. Somebody who is a civil servant will commit, maybe engage his or herself in something, maybe corruption or anything. They will detain that person or imprison that person. But when governor's brother or sister or relative commit it, nobody will talk about it. The concern don't work on them, but it works on people that don't have connection. That's what people started doing as well. Why claiming that you're looking for Biafra? Now let me go straight to your point. You said that he's not looking for Biafra. How you that look for Biafra? What have you done and what has he done? Compare the two. And you are here telling me that DOS are wise. Yes, they are wise to you because you don't know what is wise means. How can a foolish person know what is wise? You have to be wise yourself to define that person is wise. You are not wise. If you can't give what you don't have, why wouldn't you? I expect you to say that they are wise. The reason because you yourself that are telling people that DOS are wise, you are not wise. You have to be wise for you to know that this person is wise. Just like somebody who is, if you're insane, you cannot know, you will not know that another person is insane. You see that person as normal because you yourself is insane. It's only people that is have their sanity is normal that can say, oh, this person is mad. Maybe you not even understand what I'm saying because you have to have some level of brain for you to cope with what I'm saying. And like when I talk like this, some of you say, oh, he's there paying me on what? Paying me to know that the sun is shining. Is that what to pay me that for me to know that this is night or this is morning? What kind of payment is that? You think like that because of your foolishness, because of you can't reason properly. It's as simple as that. So you have to be normal for you to know that somebody is normal. So when people that say, oh, this person is wise, they are wise. Of course they are wise because they are wise to you, because you yourself are not wise. So you have to be wise for you to identify that somebody is wise. As simple as that. I know that maybe you have time this and run away from underground because people have time to spend on ground. Otherwise, tell me every now and then people run to sewage and come back and start making ranting. Look at see this one.
Hapụ onye na-asụ asụsụ anyị a na-agba ya nkiri while anyị na-asụ China, sụọ Korea, sụọ Vietnam, sụọ asụsụ Europe niile, sụọ ma Malaysia, mana ha chọrọ ịfụ anyị.
Now, from talking about PM and US and Ned of Fame that have gone for a long time that don't know if nobody knows about her. He is still using Ned of Fame to do make video. For you to know the mental, people that smoke those ganja. They're after rapping some more, they will be talking. And these are people that want to contribute on freedom. Like I said, I used to say that most of them all are not even qualified to be in the WhatsApp group where freedom are being discussed. They are not even qualified to be in the group, let alone leading the organization.
Hapụ onye na-asụ asụsụ anyị a na-agba ya nkiri while anyị na-asụ China, sụọ Korea, sụọ Vietnam, sụọ asụsụ Europe niile, sụọ ma Malaysia, mana ha chọrọ ịfụ anyị, mana anyị fụkalala onye sụrụ Igbo anyị agbabịa nkiri, ejikwala ya na-enweta anyị low mentality species. Onye abịa na Twitter, ọ na-eje Twitter na-eme ihe niile ọ na-eme. Unu amaghị na agha ogogo, unu amaghị na ndị abụọ ji ntacha na ama ihe ha na-eme. Unu chema ndị na-eji osisi na-akụ obere takia. Hello.
Okay, sorry about that.
Unu amana na ndị na-eji osisi bụ kpọkịrịkpọ na takia.
So now, after you can hear the voice of people that want to make comments about Biafran freedom and liberation of people that find themselves in Nigeria. Not only Biafrans, even the Hausa, the Fulani, the Hausas, the Yorubas, and other people. Dana said all of these people attacking on this Biafran liberation will never know peace in their life, and they will be ashamed of themselves when Biafra is declared in December. They will hide. That's one thing. You think they will come out they're not man enough, like to say, oh, wow, I'm sorry guys, I got it wrong. No, they will not. They will try their best to pretend that everything is normal. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So let's continue with the voice note. I still have more before we end the program.
Ma Simon Epa, ma Ngozi Orabeze, ma Neli Ofegbu, ha niile eze na-agụ ha. Ndị a bụ criminals, ndị a bụ ndị ori, ndị a bụ dankabo, ndị a bụ criminals. Mana ndị be anyị nwere ụbụrụ eke, ndị be anyị nwere stupid mentality. Ndị be anyị na-akpọkwu akpọkwu. Tofia kwa.
See the anger.
Very stupid.
See the anger.
Okite mentality.
Now, for you to know that this guy smoke a lot, what does okite? What is mean of having okite mentality? What is the meaning of having okite? Maybe I'm the one getting it wrong. What is the meaning of having okite mentality? Iba de Homa. Igbo is not good. It's not good.
The Nandebani Adam Anguro no more.
Okay,
to fear what?
See the anger.
Thank you, fellow Biafrans.
Now you will hear this guy is here trying to playing voice of Gaddafi. A few days ago, Gaddafi was trending, right? Now this is Gaddafi. I don't know where he got the voice of Gaddafi. And this is what Gaddafi said, and hear what this guy is saying, and hear what Gaddafi is saying. We are coming to Gaddafi also in this program. Just hold on.
I'm very, very grateful for what is going on. Like some of you that ask, what is the point? I wonder why people reason from their anus. instead of making use of their brain.
Okay.
Many people like to reason from their angles instead of making use of their brain. Now, I went to solicit for funding, and somebody that called himself a leader.
Kwefu ya ihe ha ncha na-achọba ego ma eze na-agụ Simon Ekpa ma na-elu ofe egbu ma Ngozi Ọrabaeze ma Azụka ndị a bụ ndị ọjọọ bụ ndị abịara ọjị ntacha
in Biafran struggle and saw the letter. Instead of calling me, guy, this opportunity, let me give you more ideas.
You can hear that he made that post waiting for PM or anybody from government to call him guy. Not even Mr. but guy. You know what? When this street language, he cannot depart from this group of guys. They have, because everything is hustling. Because the way you present your words simply means, shows what your intention is. Like what he said now, call me and tell me guy. Guy means you guys want to achieve one thing to dupe people. And PM is not out for duping. That's why he will not call you for that. And he know you are dissident. Ask yourself that we were expecting people to call you. Why did he even ask you to go in the first place? And that kind of person that send you out that because of what you have done, which you have not come out to, say, oh wow, this is an allegation on me. You have not come out to explain yourself, to even make the effort to believe on you or believe in you at all. Nothing. You just kept quiet, and maybe you have spent some months. You think that one have gone under the carpet. Nobody's going to remember your file again. And you made that post. Probably you tag PM that made him to see that you made a post, because I'm sure he's not following you.
Let us harness this opportunity.
Akwefu ya agbata Azụka ndị a bụ ndị ọjọọ bụ ndị abịara ọjị ntacha
in Biafran struggle and saw the letter. Instead of calling me, guy, this opportunity, let me give you more ideas. Let us harness this opportunity.
Akwefu ya agbata eke.
Truly, this guy, this ganja guy, this one, he's right here. Gaddafi intention is abateke. Like I told you, when he said guy, that is to finish a job of abateke. You understand? Let's share this cake. Let's share it. And PM is not out for that. So this ganja guy, he's right here. And Gaddafi is still getting it wrong because he don't even know the kind of people that he's working with.
What he did is to run to his court of justice, Twitter space, his Supreme Court of Justice, Twitter space, to come and tweet, guy, what are we really fighting for? That means there is personal interests that you guys are fighting for, different from Biafra.
Now, after waiting for PM to call and ask you, guy, how can we harness this thing? According to his language, guy, you should have called me so that we know how we can harness this thing. And you turn around immediately. What are we really fighting for? That means it's a personal interest. If it is not personal interest, why are you making a post expecting people to call you? Since you can't work with PM, you have gone your own way. Why don't you harness that opportunity that you claim you have? Go and get the Biafra. Since you don't want to follow the instruction, you don't want to follow the plan, that everybody believes that this is what is going to work out. Even if it's not going to work out, we have been tormented and been tortured a lot, that people now want to have a way of standing on their own, to even have honor. Because, we have lost everything. Lost honor, dignity, our rights, our freedom. What do we have? Nothing. What do we have? And now, the same people that are doing all those things, they have started also telling you that when you're school, when you can write exam or when you were not to write exam, they are dragging your land, they are dragging your government, they are dragging they are the one putting people in your own in the government, in your own government, in your own various states. Many things is going wrong. Now we have a government that can even to let them know that our voice can matter. And you are here doing guy. You should have asked me, how can we harness this? You are not talking that his Twitter space is court of justice. You know the value of that Twitter space. And I can sense envy from what you are saying, because that is why you want him to see your post. And you are expecting him to call you. Why don't you call him in the first place, since you claim that you have the all it takes to receive a call from PM?
Because if you are working for Biafra really, and you see that opportunity, huge success that I've made, it's a welcome development. You swallow your pride and say, guy, come, let us harness this opportunity. That's how a reasonable human being who have Biafra at heart should do. We are doing what we are doing not for personal, not for selfish interests, but for Biafran people. And that is why some of the people who is in your cabinet, government in exile, is with us because they saw light in what we are doing. The men that see that you came to Twitter space and tell Biafran people lies. You have 50,000 soldiers in Middle Belt. Fulani men go there, kill in Jos, kill in Benue, unchallenged. Where 50,000 soldiers is of your soldiers. We don't tell lies. We work for our people, for my freedom. My freedom is not in your hand. It is in my hand. I have to take my freedom. I even thought the second letter is what you saw, and you are Ghana pants, Shina pants. I thought it's even the real letter. That one you see, go and verify the place you get that letter. That company is owing me. The company that wrote that letter to is owing me. Legit deal that I do with.
Anyway, ma Simon Epa, eze na-agụ, ma Ngozi Ọrabeze, ma na-elu ofe egbu, ma unu niile bụ auto harlot mentality. Usu tagbuchu unu. Ndụ pụrụ eke tụfiakwa.
Yeah, okay, go and get your smoke. We need more. What this guy Gaddafi is saying here? Last time I checked, PM did not say 50,000 soldiers. He said 15 that he missed. And last time I checked, he did not tell you that he's going to pull out the number of soldiers from Middle Belt. Because it is good to blackmail someone, but to do that, fix what you have damaged is most difficult thing to do. It's easy for you to come online and claim that, try to twist, because not all some of us have the time to read in a post over and over again to understand the content of that post. Some of us just read it up shallowly and just go. And you don't care to deliberate on it. You don't care to pay more attention about it. You just want to read it and just go your way without, trying to find out what is the context is all about. We can only just, what PM said here that all of them are running helter-skelter is just minor. Imagine if, because like I said, in my last broadcast, I said that I love it when they mock PM, because that's when you see his best. Go and check all this one. If need be, and the Israelis in Nigeria need maybe that. In fact, this has come that we need to see the help that PM promised to offer and all that. You will see that if actually that help, happened like PM said, in fact, happened more. They will twist it again. The attention will be to know how many casualties from Biafra. The prayer point they will change prayer points. It will not be that number that he don't have the numbers. When the day that PM launched Biafran Liberation Army, We saw few posts in that picture, people that carry the catapult and well belt and everything, chain belt and all those things. The pictures of first. The propaganda were, oh, he have all, that they're able to count 15 men, that all the people have there is 15 people. Oh, this is their kidnappers. They're only 15 number. That the day IPOB will march, the world will know. We have been hearing these statements since 3 years now. The day IPOB will march, the world will know. I'm not the only one hearing it. If maybe as I'm saying it now, you are refreshing your memory. The day IPOB will march, the whole world will know. We have been waiting for that day, waiting and waiting. They are buying our people. Oh, the day they will march, IPOB, the whole world will know. Like this Gaddafi, somebody that have jumped from talking about someone that's looking for Biafra. What do you know about Biafra? Were you not the one that is Gaddafi of Idu? That was your name a few months ago. That was your name. Your name was Gaddafi of Idu. Idu Kingdom. Idu. The time of Idu. They do with the same Idu. He disappeared. Then because of act of kindness and pure heart of PM, he welcomed every idiot, and to prove yourself again, he give you second chance. You came back. Until today, we don't know what you commit. If PM is to be, maybe if he were like people that don't care about somebody's prestige, because the reason why you are still talking now, because the reason why they sack you is not the public. They have not. The federal government have not come out and say read your information. No, now it's not official yet. He covered it. That's why you still have the guts jumping from place to place, talking nonsense. I'm not saying you should not form your group. I'm not against your group. I'm only against you trying to play down on the effort of people and other people like PM and Biafran government. You say that you have people from his cabinet in your camp. Good luck for you. But every day is for the thief. One day is for the owner. Maybe, as you said it so, maybe somehow PM will now start paying attention to know who and who is in that your camp that stays in Biafran government in exile and stays in your camp. Of course, it is normal. Sabotage cannot just vanish just like that, because it's been a disease that lasts for ages. So it will gradually vanish. I'm not expecting it to just go like that. It will be there. Even you that is talking, when you were in Biafran government in exile, you were also somewhere. That could be the reason why they pursued you, why they asked you to go, to leave. Freeman is here. Good evening, brother. Yeah, we are back online. Yes, my brother. Nice to see you. Also said our people have serious problems. They do things and they are fired, and they come back with war instead of learning from their mistakes. Oh my God, this is bad. Yes, because Igbo people are people that have pride. We have pride, and that is what is not. That is one of the things that Yoruba people don't like about Igbo people, that we are proud. Sometimes they say that we are arrogant because of that pride and proud that we have and all that. They say, which is okay, somehow it's true. But like what you said, instead of them to learn from the mistakes, they will not learn because there's no stick that have touched them. Everything that they receive is carrot. That's why I said sometimes it's good for you to host carrot and at the same time hold stick, so that when the time there's something that needs your stick, some need carrot. You don't give carrot where stick is needed. Sometimes you need to make sure that before you give carrot out, ask yourself and do some inquirement, do some what do they call it, some research to know if that person actually needs stick or the person needs carrot. You don't just, two of them must go. If you really want to put everybody's characters and behavior to checkmate them, it is very, very important. But it requires a good leader that knows which is to use at the time. Not that where carrot is needed, you give that person stick, no. Or where stick is needed, you are offering carrot. Like Gaddafi needs serious repentance. But he want to do what he want to do, which is part of the freedom that you are asking for. Let him continue. But everything must be well explained. You have to explain it to people, so that people will know the kind of people that they are. Now listen to this voice note also.
You come to your court of justice, Twitter space, your government in Twitter space. We don't tell lies. Simon Eba and your group, gone men in Isaiah. Leave this your lies and blackmailing and focus Biafra struggle. Above millions of euros, they are owing me. Mumu everywhere. Then you see this kind of thing. You run to your Supreme Court of Justice Twitter space to go and tell the Biafra people lies. That thing you people put inside your mouth to talk to Biafra people, we are not interested in it. We want.
Now he's now trying to tell you that people believe PM because he have juju in the mouth. This is not the first time we are hearing that. It's an old tactic, so it doesn't make any sense. And you, that juju was holding you until he sacked you. That's another thing you need to put into consideration. That thing that he put inside the mouth was holding you until he decided to let you go with the other business you have. You know what I mean? So the day he will explain it, PM will explain it one day, and I will still bring it here. You understand? Because like I said, I don't hate anybody. If your name or your voice is being heard here, that's not a sign of hatred. I am trying to put the record straight. So everything we are saying here has something to do. I don't care about maybe they are being here to hate you. No. I'm not hating you. But the only thing you need to understand is that if you want to play propaganda, don't do it with something that requires people's life. This Biafran freedom and our freedom, if you don't even want to believe in anything Biafra, I respect it, but maintain your lane. Like the Boko Haram, the Northerners that decide to live the life they are living now. I have not come, I have not come online to say, oh, we should pray for them so that they will repent to start behaving like me. But where it becomes problem is when they are using that against my own freedom. Do you understand what I mean? So people should understand this. You have right to. Bobrisky is doing what he's doing today. I'm not saying that they should fight Bobrisky because he choose to live the life that he's living. That is his business. If government want to do anything, that's government. But I cannot come online and say they should fight him because he's living life he's living. No, that is his freedom. But it becomes a problem when he's using that thing to influence my own or to cause problem on my own freedom. I hope it makes sense. So whatever life you want to choose to live, make sure that it is not going to affect other people. So let's complete this before we end the live broadcast. Okay.
Work with the people that use their brain to reason, not the people that reason through their adults. You feel say you love Biafra and you see a success.
Simon onye ọjọbọ ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma. N'elu ofe egbu ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma. Ndọtọ ballot mentality ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma. Ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma.
You see, this Indian ham guy keep on cursing himself, and when those curses started working on him, now they said that he's using charm, he's using this and using that. So we need to call a spade a spade. Okay, I am not going to stress this program anymore. We have been here for 1 hour and my time is up. We are going to be live again. We are going to be live again later tonight, late hour broadcast. Please, if you want to call in, you will call in our next broadcast because I have an appointment now that I need to rush. Please bear with me. The number is here so that some of you, Freeman, you ask for the number. Please copy the number and save it for now. This number is temporary. It's not permanent, please. It can be changed anytime. Thank you all. Before you go, please like the video. Like the video. Yes, I have your, I can see your comment. Ngozi, our sister, Ngozi Obona, nice to have you in this program. This man are not ashamed of themselves. Lord, okay, you said, good afternoon, my brother. Lord of Karma will deal with them. They are causing themselves. You can see, I don't bother when they're, this will happen, this will happen. They indulge, these people is this people is that. No. You don't insult people because you think that you know it. One thing with that people is that you will see somebody who is not a medical student trying to advise you about how advise you on the issue that do with medicine, or maybe you are failed, you are good in molding block, you understand, and you want to argue on something that has to do with robotic engineer. It doesn't. I've said this in time with that number. Know your lane, know your own, know your where you stand. Don't jump from what you know to another thing, and want to not only that you are jumping into learn, but you are going there to make argument. It doesn't make sense at all. Okay, yes, Freeman, nice to you just say the number, okay. Dana said the people you are playing their audio have no shame and integrity. Of course they don't. Why I'm playing it is because they are making comments on posts that PM made yesterday about having 15,000 soldiers were trained. They were running mad about it because they think that this is a joke. 99% of them actually believe that PM is joking, like what is happening is, but I don't blame them because they're used to that. And that's what they told that the organization is all about. Master kind of think that he have men, not knowing that you have business people. But thank God that he himself noticed sometime when he was telling people that he needs 100 men. Because if not, how can you have thousands of people, millions of people, shouting, hell, hell, Biafra, all hell, Biafra? You say, watch Chineke, Umu Chineke, Oyen do this, Oyen do that. And Oyen do turn around and say that I'm looking for 100 men. Somehow, if your brain is still working, you know that that is a way of telling you that you are not there. You don't have the quality. You understand? So as simple as that. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Please bear with me. I have to go now. Thank you. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.